every genre, you could make the argument, is saturated because there's a lot of music out there. So don't even think about saturation as whether or not you should get into a particular genre. Really what you should do is, what do you love? What are you great at? What is your passion? What is a sound that you feel you could really bring your A game to, okay? So it's not about, let's say you feel that orchestral music is just in your blood and in your bones and that's what you want to do, but you think, you know what, I think pop EDM is a little bit easier to get placement, so let me just abandon what I love and go over here. Bad move. Really, really bad move. Unless you love pop EDM just as much, maybe you could move into that direction. But you can make the argument that everything is oversaturated, but it's not. What happens in this business, I'll tell you guys this, 90%, maybe even 95% of producers, that especially get on my side of the business, they rush in with both feet. They're excited. 6 months later, 75% of them are gone. They just don't have the long-term mindset to stick it out. So all you have to really do, honestly, guys, here's the big secret. Just stick with it. Just keep showing up. Keep putting out new music. Keep getting better at your craft. Keep serving the needs of your library. It takes time to build up these relationships and to build up your royalties. But you will find, as I found in my 12 years, a lot of people I started off in this business just kind of went away. They just disappeared. They got distracted. They didn't have the long-term mindset. So you could make that argument for anything. You want to be a lawyer? Too many lawyers. You want to be a real estate agent? Too many real estate agents. You want to get into this? You want to get into that? Don't let that be a reason for you to not jump into something with both feet. If you feel it's like your passion, then go for it.